What up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Pulled up and seen this cop just park right here, so we're gonna get out and see what he's up to. $5275. What's up, fellas?
How you doing?
Not too bad. How you doing?
Good yourself?
Not too bad. You guys on the call?
No, we're doing something here. We're gotta fix a report.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, that's all we're doing.
Cool, cool. Mind if I get your name and badge numbers right quick?
Yeah, Montejo 1447.
And mine's Ponce 1569.
What is it?
1569,
Fif-
Ponce?
Ponce 1569.
Yes,
I
sir.
appreciate it, guys.
Yeah.
That's like bird poop.
That's life of police. A lot of reports.
Yeah. You guys mind if I ask you one quick question?
Sure.
I ask every cop that I encounter this question. You guys could answer it because it's not political or nothing like that. It's not opinion. It's part of your job. Do you guys happen to know the 5 points to the First Amendment?
The 5 points of the First Amendment?
Yeah.
Not at the top of my head, not right now.
Because you guys swear an oath to the Constitution, right? To get this job. And what we're discovering is that cops don't really know that oath. So it seems like they're kind of throwing you guys out in the streets with a gun and a badge and not really knowing the people's rights.
Okay. Yeah.
So real quick, man, I'm gonna tell it to you guys, and hopefully next time I see you guys will know it.
Okay.
And you guys have a good attitude. I appreciate that. Real quick.
They just sent us to a car right on the MD2.
All right.
We gotta take off.
Freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government.
Sure.
All right, know it
That's
next
good.
time, man. Go get the car.
Eleven minutes later.
Check it out, guys. These cops, they said that they were going to a call, but they were lying because we caught up to them, and we've been following them for about 10 minutes, and they haven't gone to a call. They're right there in front of this van. These cops are liars, I'm telling you. They didn't like to get put on the spot and asked if they knew their oath. So the driver right away put it in drive, and the passenger lied and said that they were on a call. They got called to a call. So just to show you guys how oftentimes they lie to us.